Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be posting a little picture up here somewhere, I don't know. Everybody, or a few of you I guess, voted on unboxing this one. So this is the tier 2.5. I'm not sure why this is 3, but online it says that this is a 2.5. And it comes with 50 packs, which is a lot. The other one is about 20. My daughter's gonna be helping me because she's excited. All right, well, we're gonna start. I'm gonna go grab some penny sleeves, and yeah, look at that. It's Itachi, Sasuke. Guess these are the ones you can try to get. Pretty cool.
Shiny.
Shiny, shiny. All right, got them ready. So now let's start unboxing. I think what I'm gonna do is, so there's like 50 packs in here. I can't open it. I got it. I think I'm gonna pre-cut all the packs. I think it'll be easier, just so like you guys are not sitting here forever. Super secure. This box is a little messed up, I noticed. I do have another one upstairs that I saved that it was super nice. Really well.
They are damaged.
No, I hope not. See, I don't know where to open them. Oh, I guess through here. Here they are. Okay. Oh, Hervey Sage and Naruto on the top. Was Jiraiya, but I call him Hervey Sage. So here they are. There's 50, guys. That's a lot. So I think I'm gonna pre-cut these just for the video to go quicker. I don't want you guys sitting here for 30 minutes. That's just, unless you guys don't mind, but I guess I'll open maybe one in here, and then I'll open two. I'll open one myself and I'll let my daughter open one, but I know that the last packs were super difficult to open. Okay, and these seem okay. So we got a rare. Ooh, looks nice, kind of like the other ones. Shikamaru, okay, hubby and wife. Rare. Oh, I see a gold in a bag. Ah, Lady Tsunade CP card. This is so cool. I need to sleeve this up right now. Immediately. So I got a penny sleeve.
What does CP mean?
I have no idea. There's some rankings that like the SSRs means super rare, and ultra rares UR, but I have no idea. I try to look up online what CR means. If somebody can let me know, that'd be cool. There it is. Right, I'll have these on the side. If I end up getting duplicates, I do have a binder. Any duplicates, I think I might sell them or make a pack and give them away or something. We can do that. You want to open one?
Yeah.
So my daughter's going to open one. Come over here. But just put your hands through like that.
I can't open it.
I'm going to help, or you got it? Just be careful with the pack. I know that, I guess these are difficult, y'all. Oh, they are actually. I guess that one wasn't.
How can you open this thing?
Okay, here you go. You don't know the names, but it's okay.
Where does the rare one go?
Just leave them there. Like there's Ino, Pakun, Tenten. Oh, and a super rare Naruto.
That's it. I give you good one.
Like a 6 paths, Sage of 6 paths. That's cool. We're gonna see that one up too. So
open
I'll be right back, and I'm going to pre-open these. I'm just gonna cut the top, and yeah, I'll be right back.
Baby, you give me ice and some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah. Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
Okay guys, so I wanted to do a quick little recap. It'll be easier. So for SSRs, I got Sai, Lord Orochimaru, pretty cool. This is Shikamaru. I believe this is like from the scene when he had the fight with Hidan, Kabuto, Sasuke, Kakashi, Rock Lee, Choji, Kankuro, SSR Sakura, Sage of Six Paths Naruto. We have ultra rares here. Kasakage, which is Gaara's dad. one of the Jinchuriki that I don't remember what her name is actually. UR right here. Gara UR. We have an OR Haku. OR Orochimaru. OR Kakashi. Little Kakashi. SP Hiruzen, or the third Hokage, I guess. Here he is. Look at that in the back. That looks pretty sick. CP Lady Tsunade. And Sasuke with Itachi in the back. And that's it. I will be doing the other box. I'll be doing, I believe it's tier 3, wave 5, I'm assuming. I'll do this box next Saturday. Hope you guys are down for that. Yeah. Bye, guys.